Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. I wanted to share some of the updates that happened this week over on accordionlove.com. Some of these links are available to everyone. Some of these links are available for Accordion Love members. You can sign up for a free 3-day trial. All of the links are in the description. I'm going to share my screen and let's take a look. So this week someone had a question about the walk down in Phantom of the Opera. The ba 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 ba. And some ideas on how to play it. So in this video I made a quick, I think it's a 3-minute video, about 2 different ways of doing it. One using a chromatic walk down and one just switching between chords. Have a look, it's a really nice quick video. The second thing, oh yeah, the November challenge is happening. You could look through all these submissions. If you're an Accordion Love member, there's still a few days to submit your answer to the Accordion Love November challenge. For those of you that don't know about it or haven't participated, there will be a December challenge in a few days as well. A few new lessons in the Beyond the Basics section under Advanced Right Hand Techniques, under Advanced Chord Voicings. A student had a question about which chord voicing should I use when I'm accompanying someone. How do you choose between the first voicing, the second voicing, and third voicing? Is there logic? And so this is the video choosing which chord voice. The really quick answer is it doesn't matter, but I give you some ideas about which chord voicing I choose. Related to that, under the accompanying voice and others with your accordion section, under the overview, this is a video that's a few weeks old now, I think. I give more examples about how to pad, how to accompany people either with padding or with rhythm. This is an especially important lesson now with the holiday season coming. Whether you're at home, whether you're singing along to someone in Zoom, probably not so much caroling in person, but singing along with people. It matters what you do on the accordion. So this entire section about how to accompany people on the accordion, accompanying voice and others with your accordion, is especially important. There are lessons about playing in a band, lessons about accompanying voice, whether it's yourself or other people's, and these are the techniques that you use when you're accompanying people with the accordion. All that and much more, free 3-day trial, no risk to you. You can cancel at any time. I hope to see you over there. Thank you. Ba 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 ba.